If your builds look like spaghetti, your edits take forever and you panic when someone pushes. You're missing out on easy wins. Let's fix that right now. First, let's talk fundamentals. Pros don't just crank, they build with purpose. Practice your 90s and box fights in creative mode to get those muscle memories locked in. Next, aiming train on creative maps, and if you're on controller, turn off aim assist for practice. You'll thank me later when you snap onto enemies in real matches. Now game sense is your secret weapon. Anticipate what your opponent will do. Listen for footsteps, watch for edits, and always be ready to counter. Piece control is key. Trap your enemy in their own box before they even realize what's happening. Use right-hand peeks for safe shots, pre-build to trap, and pre-fire when you sense an edit incoming. Pickaxe baiting? Genius. Fake a wall break, then blast them when they edit open. Finally, study your replays, watch the pros, and tweak your settings until everything feels just right. Stay confident, play smart, and remember, the more you practice, the closer you get to pro.